Imagine taking the elegance of a Maybach, the performance DNA of Mercedes-Benz, and fusing it with the freedom of a luxury motorhome. That dream has now arrived in the form of the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Maybach Motorhome, a rolling palace that redefines what it means to travel in ultimate style. This isn't just a vehicle. It's a 5-star hotel on wheels, a private jet for the road, and a statement of engineering mastery. From the outside, the first thing that strikes you is the futuristic design language. This motorhome doesn't look bulky or old-fashioned. Instead, it resembles a spacecraft mixed with a supercar. The front grille carries the bold Mercedes emblem, flanked by razor-sharp LED headlights that look like they belong on an AMG hypercar. The body is sculpted with aerodynamic precision, giving it a sleek, powerful stance. The multiple large alloy wheels with low-profile tires make it clear, this is no ordinary RV. With chrome accents, panoramic side windows, and a commanding road presence, this Maybach motorhome instantly turns heads wherever it goes. Step closer and you'll notice the details that make it unmistakably Maybach. Subtle chrome trim lines, soft close automatic doors, flush handles, and even ambient exterior lighting that glows at night. Every angle feels intentional, futuristic, and artistic. It's not just transportation, it's rolling architecture. But the real magic happens when you step inside. Imagine walking into a space that feels more like a penthouse in Monaco than a vehicle. The interior is designed to cocoon its passengers in unparalleled luxury. Rich Napa leather covers every surface, paired with rare wood veneers, polished aluminum, and customizable ambient lighting. The ceiling itself features a starlight LED design, turning the cabin into a private galaxy on wheels. The living area is expansive, with reclining Maybach lounge chairs that adjust at the touch of a button. Integrated massage functions, heating, cooling, and even zero-gravity positioning make every mile a spa-like experience. Panoramic smart glass windows allow you to dim or clear them instantly, offering full privacy or breathtaking views of the road ahead. The motorhome includes a futuristic kitchenette, designed with minimalism and efficiency in mind. High-end appliances are seamlessly hidden within smooth cabinetry, and a holographic interface lets you control cooking, climate, and entertainment all from one panel. Across from the kitchen sits an elegant dining space that doubles as a workstation for those who want to stay productive while on the move. At the rear, the master suite is nothing short of spectacular. A king-size bed with adaptive air suspension ensures the smoothest sleep possible, even while driving. Built-in entertainment screens rise from hidden panels, and surround sound audio fills the cabin with cinematic quality. The bedroom flows seamlessly into a full luxury bathroom, complete with a rainfall shower, heated marble floors, and touchless fixtures. This is not just comfort on the road, it's beyond what most luxury apartments offer. Technology is at the heart of this masterpiece. The entire motorhome is powered by Mercedes' latest AI-assisted driving systems, offering semi-autonomous cruising. A state-of-the-art infotainment system syncs with every device, while a voice-controlled AI butler manages everything from lighting and temperature to route planning and concierge services. Connectivity is constant with satellite internet, meaning you're always online whether parked by the ocean or in the mountains. Under the hood, the 2026 Maybach Motorhome doesn't disappoint either. It's equipped with a hybrid powertrain, combining a V8 with advanced electric motors, delivering smooth, silent power when needed, and efficiency when desired. The adaptive suspension system ensures that even the roughest terrains feel like gliding on glass. Owning one of these rolling palaces isn't just about travel, it's about making a statement. It tells the world that you value freedom, luxury, and technology at the highest level. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz Maybach Motorhome isn't just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle, a sanctuary, and an icon of what the future of mobility looks like. So whether you imagine yourself driving down the French Riviera, crossing the American West, or simply pulling up to a private event, one thing is certain: this is the ultimate expression of power, comfort, and prestige on 4 wheels.